Good morning. Good morning, children. There is only two derivations. One is very small, that is capillary, and one is regarding axis pressure. The formula used will be for surface energy, that is surface tension is equals to work done upon area. Axis pressure, formula for surface tension, and capillary. So all these will be included in this numerical. There is no such separation as in the previous chapters regarding this is for surface tension, this is for capillary. All the numericals are combined but in an order. So I am taking numericals of this chapter. Surface tension, starting with the numerical number 1. Numerical number 1 from page, I don't have calculator, so you need to find it, but I will try to solve. Without calculator. So this is numerical number 1, page 632. Numerical number 1. A straight thread of length 10 cm is placed over the water surface. So what is that? That is, on the surface film there is a straight thread of length 10 cm. How much force will be exerted on any one side of the thread by the water surface? I have told you about this. This is the length. So surface tension is force acting per unit length. You need to find the force. So force here is surface tension into length. As it is mentioned that this is water, so surface tension of water is given in the constants, which is surface tension of water is in terms of SI unit 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter, and length is in centimeters, so it will be converted 10 by 100 meters, so it is 0.1. So this is, on solving this you are going to get 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. This is the force acting on the surface film. Force acting on the surface film of the water surface. This is numerical number 1. Now moving on to I am trying to do each of a type. This is numerical number 5 on page 632. A soap film has been made on a rectangular frame of wire. A soap film has been made on a rectangular frame of wire of size 3 into 3 centimeters. So area A1 is 3 into 3, that is 9 centimeters square. 9 centimeters square. Or you can write it as 9 into 10 to the power minus 4 meters square. Find the work done when size of the frame is changed to 3 into 4. Now area is increased and this is 3 into 4. So it is 12 centimeters square. 12 into 10 to the power minus 4 meters square. This is also given. You have to find the work done. You need to find work done. You all know that surface tension is equals to work done upon change in area. So you need to find work done, that is work done is equals to surface tension into change in area. Because this is soap film and the surface tension of soap solution is given in the question itself. So, and you all know that because this is soap solution, because of soap solution, change in area will becomes 2 times change in area, because soap solution has two surfaces in contact with air. So now work done is equals to surface tension into 2 times change in area. So surface tension of soap solution is given in the constants, which is 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. You all know that soap solution will have less tension as compared to water, into 2 into change in area, 12 minus 9 into 10 to the power minus 4. So this is 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 minus 4 into 2 into 3. So 18 into 10 to the power minus 6 joule. 18 into 10 to the power minus 6 joule, or work done can be written as 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 joule. This is the work done in this case. So be clear, if it is mentioned soap solution, increase in area will be twice. This is numerical number 5. Now let us move on to next numerical. All the numericals are formula based. Numerical number 10 on page 632. Water drop of radius 1 centimeter is converted into, there is a water drop of radius 1 centimeter is converted into, if I will write it as, it is 0.01 meter, is converted into 10 to the power 6 small droplets of same size. So small r is not known, but you all know that how many drops? Number of drops is 10 to the power 6 droplets. It's not drop, it's droplet. A big drop is converting into 10 to the power 6 droplets of equal size. These are number of droplets. So you all know that volume of big drop is equals to 10 to the power 6 into volume of small drop or droplets. So because drop is spherical, so it is 4 by 3 pi r cube is equals to, volume is there. Be clear about the volume of a sphere. It is not 4 pi r square, 4 by 3 pi r cube. 10 to the power 6 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume is same because water is same. So here small r is equals to r upon 10 to the power 2 that means small r is equals to r by 100. Small r is equals to r by 100. This is value of small r. But this is not the question. Question is find the amount of energy spent for this process. Find the amount of energy spent for this process. Surface tension is given 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter. Because this is water, it is given. In this question it is given, otherwise you have to take from constants. So you have to find work done. So work energy spent is equals to work done for this process, surface tension into change in area. It is water, so there is no double change in area. Surface tension is given 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 Now change in area. Change in area you need to find. So how will you find change in area? This is 10 to the power 6 droplets into area of one drop minus area of big drop. So here this is 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 10 to the power 6. Area will be area of a sphere 4 pi r square, small r square minus 4 pi r square. So this can be further solved on solving. If I will take 4 pi as common, 4 pi inside bracket 10 to the power 6. In place of r I can put r by 100. So r square by 10 to the power 4 minus r square. This will be 2 times. So 100 r square minus r square. 100 r square minus r square into 4 pi into 99 r square. And value of r is known. Put the values. So work done or energy spent is equals to 7.2 into 4 into 3.14, that is value of pi, into 99 into 10 to the power minus 2 into r. R is 0.01 square. I am writing the answer directly. You will solve this. Answer is as per book. I am writing the answer, but you need to solve. This is the correct method of solving this particular numerical. This is numerical number 10 on page 632. So this is the answer for energy spent in this particular numerical.